Hello, if you're wondering if GoPro Hero 13 is waterproof, then the answer is yes. Hero 13 Black is waterproof to 10 meters or 33 feet without any housing. So you can technically use it under the water up to 10 meters and there should be no damage done. However, before you do that, it is recommended to make sure that, for instance, the side door for the battery is completely closed. Make sure that there is no sand or anything that would prevent a side door to be completely closed. Otherwise, of course, you risk the damage. Besides that, still, it is recommended to use a waterproof case just to be sure. So if you want to completely make sure that you will not damage your GoPro, just buy a simple waterproof case, and therefore if you do so, you should be definitely calmer when you use it under the water. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!